So hi everyone, today is February 1 and I'm going to close this first balikbayan box from Atlas Shippers. So yan, i-close na natin to guys. So I still have one box downstairs. I-close na lalagyan natin yun ng mga gamit, but this time close muna natin to, so keep watching. I-close na natin siya. Ouch! Ouch! Sakit. Naguto. So i-arrange muna natin to kasi nga nagbugha tangan ng hugma. Hang it. I need to lower down the I need to put a name for that. OMG. Ano ba yun? So, yung isa kasing ano bag ba? Bumuka. So, we need to hindi mabalik yung mga mabalik yung mga ano hindi mabalik ang mga tawag namin. So, masyado siyang malaki, guys. So, Edward needs to cannibalize.
Cannibalize? No, this isn't cannibalize.
Dog?
Can you hold this?
I think I'm just gonna took some hard stuff here.
No.
we're ripping the box. Oh, that's good. Oh my God. Guys, kung makita nyo lang yung ano, bukang-buka. Ama si Papa, ipakita si Papa.
Nagbantay pa sa ira. Ha?
Kajot lang kayo naka-video ko. So, sa wakas guys, we finally close it. Grabe, it took us how many minutes to, how do you call this? Para ma-close siya. It's so hard to close. Nagsukaha na gid ang box. So, Edward find a way to close the box. Para tanawa gabugdo. Kabugdo na ganyan ako kasukao na gina sa kilid. But I guess, you know, we'll find ways. So guys, yan. Ilalagay ko pa sa isang box. Those. Yun pa. Tapos ito. Pilian ran ako ang maapilani. Kaya di na gid siya makaya. Nagsukaha na. So I'm gonna go downstairs to get the basket. So hi everyone. So andito na ako sa basement. So I have an empty box here. So pupunuin na naman natin to as much as we can. Kasi yan yung mga sapatos na ilalagay ko. Hopefully magkasya lahat. And yan yung mga toys ng mga bata. And yan yung galing sa taas na mga gamit. Yan you know. Nakyat ko dito ay dinala ko dito sa ibaba para ito na naman. So priority ko is yung mga shoes, bags at toys para I can get rid of them. Probably I'm gonna put a little bit of clothes, but we'll see what will happen. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, we're going to start. Close the box. So, praying na marami tayong malagay dito na bags, shoes, and toys. Because this is the last box I have. So, kailangan ko pang pangalanan yung mga, ano din guys, shoes. Kasi wala yung pangalan guys. So guys, this will be the second box. So lalagyan na muna natin ng tape yung bottom.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that.
Hello everyone. We already, hold on, put the duct tape together. As you can see, bulk na siya pero ika-cover ko yan lahat to make it solid. Some of the things hindi mapasok sa loob. Hindi na masigo dai. Hindi na magkasya. That's the box. But that's a lot. This is so heavy. You know what we need to carry? We need to use a dolly for this because it's super, super, super heavy. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna close this one and I'm gonna put a number and put the address and cell number and the name of my father. So that will be all. Thank you for watching.